Hello, ba nang bo ko lo khaya de khana. Tini le tama kha kai mai tama jang hamle.
Ang tani asiri call ma khai khana ngai disi. Tini ni interview tong ble. BM Enterprise Company go. Dosta ding thanga ta pok dito.
BM Enterprise.
Yes.
You are the best, Sarah.
Well, there is just one little issue.
What?
Kyle pai sheri na sa soro baksa ka samang khale ka.
Kyle. Amo chala de. Ano 300 bar sung nai.
Bo nu. Hapa Kyle pai sheri na engage sung jak situle.
Great. Just what I need.
Hi, good morning. You are up early?
Hi, morning. Ang interview roi phegera. Ani tol si interview ni bagai sa salai ro ka.
Oh, where?
BM Enterprise Company go. Wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck.
Natalie, it's been so long. I haven't seen you since college.
Serena, I don't know. You would be my interviewer.
Life is so funny that way. Nang bi interview ni bagi apply kaya hi kali ana sakena. Ang bu bana sa hata. Bana ang si interview na hi.
How nice. Oh, kabi nang engage kajak pa hana.
Kabi ang na sa ni box tong ha.
Congrats.
Oh, kabi ang baknaman ni. Nang ba Sebastian Klein bes kajak pa hanap le. Jote si bana toi salai tong ba sible. Panda ni no de. Jail ni kok fly phaidro ha. Okay, never mind. Interview English na. Natalie, you don't have a single serious job on here? You work at Walmart?
Actually, ang entry level ni bagai si apply kaya. Tay job description of among sa experience nang rohim bu mention khaja karib le. I am a first learner. I have a 4.0 GPA.
Natalie, kabhi kok sake after graduating college, nobody cares about your GPA. So I don't care job description of the mahisha. I'm sorry, Natalie. You are just not qualified for this position. Tu masang na sira sungsang lang bana usari na ba?
Hai mong sa sani jora siroyo. Hai pun ba plak ke sai sita. Nangu position ni bagai qualified iya hiya kai roka.
Bo interview na nahi ang sikeru rohya ko.
Na sire thalahan.
I'm so sorry, Natalie. Hapatawa na dang te kaisa jagaro nai to wirona.
It's okay, Sarah. Mong sanya. Nang matai ki nai to wiro mo sungsa manika.
By the way, what's going on, Natalie, with your new husband?
He's actually really nice. But
What, but?
tapok sa si baba terong ano rang siro layak ho ka. Asuk samang ke sa si. Bro kajak de ho jang ba kajak ya de. Bos ta kule rang siro lali ata. Yang blen ne. Ama ni medical bill pe khaiwa ni lengka silet eng tong ha.
Oh, hingkini nama siya di teman nang rang ni bagi kajak hi.
Sa sarang liya ko ang bu. Salah hangke rugi rago tamaro kong panik ta.
Oh God. Hingke, ni niwa mungsa sok palja nai tong hangke. Mono palai paroi rok rasiti.
Temma tong ba ni wo. Aku nang matang rana jahan doi tong ha. Ulo malayas na. Bye.
Are, batakrale.
Boss, Jason has agreed to sell you his shares. So now we just need Jack and Tony.
perfect.
Amo juta no pasi dokana kiri biroi marok ras neka. Olo ang job ma pipron ke pirogin na pimable.
Ha, ba Miss Queen snable boss. Biang thang tong bobo. Yago juta box tui jakhe.
Follow her.
Hi, good morning. Amo ni tam basung mana? Why safa use khaji yakho?
Pristine condition, excellent brand. I'll give you 2 lakh.
2 lakh. Amo ba new brand si. Te bone original price 10 lakh le.
Ang ba 2 lakh kabang kok sironai hoi tong hable. Nang soya hingga piragoi tilang thang piti. Amo ba nang pai romani juta snable boss. Bona sigiri biroi tong hanable.
Ang bo ni bagay pai bleu juta no. Bo je khai musung mani khailang thangka. Bo ashe rang samang nang jakhe ba. Ano pa sama ble.
Actually, I don't wanna sell these anymore.
Wait. Okay, fine. I will give you 3 lakh.
Actually, amo ani bagi pharo yung special. Tapos sang realize sang
3 lakh lengka amount kabang ni ade. Nang sel khaiwa ni bagay hai te chance ka hamayang nai ka.
it's not about the money. I'm sorry.
Hingke nang oro ani time waste khaiwa ni de phai. Hello, Miss Beautiful. Juta ro ya hingke bani jaga ote mangsa sakpa maro nai ka.
Let me go, please.
No, कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा.
Please, somebody help me.
Don't try to touch my wife, for else I will kill you. Are you okay, Natalie?
I'm sorry.
Why are you saying sorry?
Nengano, give Romani no ang girbi rawani try khali asi. I changed my mind.
Nang bo ni bagay di sorry, huh?
Yes. Bani bagay nang khakoy tong nable.
No. Ang khakoy mani reason kamasi. If you had money problem, you should have come to me. I'm your husband. आज तुम्हें चोट लग सकती थी और अगर मैं वहां नहीं होता तो क्या होता? What was going on in your mind, Natalie?
Husband?
Yes.
Nang sable. Amo chini pada ja suof. Olo sung divorce na nahi. Yang tu manu search khani ba. I got rejected from BM Enterprise because interview nanay ananay siya mani bagay. I married a stranger because my mom is in the hospital and I have no way to pay her medical bills. I don't know what to do, Sebastian. I'm trying my best.
I'm sorry. I lost my temper with you.
Sebastian.
Natalie, ang amo na si Busi Shogya ko. Nini ama ni bagay ng ang bay makajaging humani. Can you explain me?
Last week ko, ang baba no rangsa ata. Ama no treatment khairwa ni bagay.
Okay. So your dad still hasn't paid you like he promised. And then the BM interview unka got boli ana. And that's why you try to sell the shoes.